What's up, boys? It's your boy Jude here, back at it again with another video. And before any of you whines, oh Drifter, what? I thought you quit collecting. No, I'm just joking. No, shut up. All right, I already told you guys many times. For those who don't know, I didn't quit collecting Hot Wheels. I just said I'm cutting down. All right. And recently, for the past like my way Need for Speed completed downloading. Oh, can't wait to play that. The past 3 months. What do you call that? These are some of the cars I really like that I wanted to get my hands on. All right, these two sets especially. And sorry my Xbox keeps making noise. Let me turn off the TV. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's have a look at these cars. All right, so the main lines. There wasn't any main lines in particular. Maybe just the McLaren P1. But you know, as for the car cultures, these are sick, and I want to add them to my premiums. So basically, I'm like Hot Wheels premiums are like my main focus now. So yeah, let's start with this. All right, here the '66 Chevy Nova, man. Alright, so it's pretty cool. It comes in this gold color, pretty classic, pretty plain, funny really tempos, nothing else to add. I think it's pretty nice. Then we have probably one of my favorites, the Brick Grand National GNX. I didn't like the mainline version. It was all plasticky, no rubber tires, no, barely had any details. But this one right here comes with a full treatment, metal body. My camera can't seem to focus because my camera is complete crap. Gotta change phone soon. There you go, real light tempos, rubber tires, and metal base. Yeah, and here's the card art. Man, there it is. Then we have the 61 Impala. Pretty nice, pretty cool. I love the rear light details right there. You know what? Stupid camera, really. I'm planning to buy a new phone soon. Planning to buy the OnePlus 8 or the Samsung S20. Not sure yet, but anyways, there it is. Then we have probably the fan favorite, the Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. I mean, it's a pretty cool pickup truck. I mean, let's admit it, it's not the best looking pickup truck right there. You only buy it cause it's from Fast and Furious, but I mean, that's the same thing. I also bought it because, you know, Paul Walker and Fast and Furious. It's not, say, an ugly looking truck, but I'm just saying it's overhyped, man. People are like, oh my god, that's pretty lightning. Shut the hell up, man. I bet you don't even know anything about this truck, right? People are just going crazy over this truck for nothing. Like, I understand, respect Paul Walker, man, right? But if you're gonna buy a truck just because, you know, hype, it's like, you know, Supreme. You know, it's like buying a t-shirt for Supreme. So yeah, I mean, if you like that truck, it's cool. But I swear to God, most people are just buying these cause, you know, like, I don't know, like, it's from Fast and Furious. Paul Walker drove it, so yeah. No disrespect to Paul Walker, but I'm just saying. They have the 42 Grand Trainer Sport. So the thing is, I do have the mainline version for this, the plastic, and actually, it's pretty similar. It just the real riders. It does look so much better. It does have a metal base. The front and rear is still, it's still chrome. I hope it doesn't turn black. For now, it looks pretty nice. So there's that for the Fast and Furious Motor City Muscle set. Now for the one that I really look forward the most is the Wild Terrain set right here from the car cultures. First, the Ford Bronco. Check this out. Love the police livery on this one. I'm not a huge fan of off-road vehicles, but yo, this set is just really cool. I'll show you guys in a moment. For the first one right here, the police livery is just really pretty simple, pretty nice. Extra wheel, extra rubber tire on the back right there, pretty cool. Then this one's pretty sick. My second favorite in the set, the off-road Camaro. I love the white, red, and blue livery on this one. America, like, yeah, I know America is on shit right now. Oh man, all the anti-mask protests. For my American subscribers, please stay safe, please don't be stupid, please wear your masks. But yeah, man, not to be political, but it's crazy in America right now. Please take care for my American subscribers. Then we have the Porsche Rally Car. This is my favorite in the set, man. I know that Matchbox released a mainline version of this car, right? And this is like 10 times better than that because it has the full details and it's so sick. It's just so clean. Love this car, man. Like, I don't even know anything about this rally car in general, who is the driver or whatever, but I just love how clean this is, man. And 959, the Porsche 959, it's a pretty iconic Porsche model. So yeah, pretty nice. Happy to add it to my collection. Then these next two were the ones that I was skeptical the most. First is the Land Rover Defender, and at first I didn't like it. These two because they're not, say, castings I collect, but I don't know. I just kind of bought it to complete the whole set. Oh, what, Drifter? You bought the whole set? I thought you said you're supposed to buy the cars that you only like. Well, the thing is, these were on sale, and I'm thinking, I mean, it's actually not that bad. I wouldn't pay retail price for this. These were on sale, right? So yeah, if those were going for retail price $10, I wouldn't buy them. But I got them at a cheaper price, so I wouldn't mind getting them, and I'm pretty satisfied with my purchase. It's actually not a bad looking car, and I love how there's a Land Rover logo on the side of this Land Rover. It's pretty nice. And this one, it's really cool. This is the Unimog, right? It's definitely not your typical Hot Wheels car, but it's pretty unique, pretty cool. Look at that paramedic on the side right there, and these thick rubber tires on the underneath of the truck, and that pipe sticking out the side. It's a pretty fun casting, right? So the reason why I didn't buy these two is because they're not really within my range of what I purchased. But for what they are, it's like a fun little casting that I actually wouldn't mind having in my collection. You guys might think I'm trying to justify my purchase, like taking back my words where you said like, oh, you're not supposed to buy cars that you don't really like or hesitate. But the fact that they are on sale, and I actually had a close look on them in person, they're actually a pretty fun, neat little casting to add to the collection. So yeah, check this out. Alright, the next four are some miscellaneous stuff. So first of all is the Back to the Future time machine. After years of hunting this down, I finally have this, man. I finally have almost all of the Back to the Future time machine cars, except for like the RLC and stuff. But for the retros, for the premiums, I finally have all of them. I'm not say a huge Back to the Future fan. I'm more of like the fan of the vehicle itself, right? It's really cool to finally find the first retro release of these cars. So check this out, very nice. Gonna open it up and deja vu into the next car is the AE86. I do have the white version right here. Oh, just nice. Look, when I turned around, there it is, the white version, and here's the black version. So it's like inverted, right? So it's pretty cool. I finally have both. Pretty similar looking, but not exactly the same. And the price on these are jacked up, man. This is going for crazy prices, and I'm good that I managed to get a hold of it. Pretty, I would say, decent price before it gets even more expensive. So there it is. And the last two cars are Rlc Pickups. Alright, so here it is, Volkswagen Senagon right here, and the Nissan Skyline van. So these are the mail-ins, right? I think I forgot for where they're from, but here it is, the Volkswagen Senagon vehicle and the Nissan Skyline van. Check this out. Yeah, so those were my haul for this week right here. So what do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below. So yeah, fun little video for you guys. I bet it's refreshing to see an unboxing video on your feed, although it's not on the main channel. I don't know, I mean, if you're still watching this video, it means you actually did enjoy this unboxing. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, I do miss making videos on my main channel. I might or might not come back on the main channel. I'm still deciding. I'll think about it, but for now, these were my haul for today. Oh, how can I forget? I have this gold gasser right here. I think you guys have already all seen it. But yes, wow, this is my new most expensive car I have ever purchased in my collection. This is just really pretty, man. This is crazy sick. So check this out. Look at that. So yeah, you heard that right, guys. I don't know, Drift 30 might come back to YouTube. Honestly, it's not a big deal. It's like I never even really disappeared from YouTube because I've still been uploading videos on the second channel, right? But still, I think some of you might be happy to hear that I might come back on the main channel. I do miss making videos. So instead of making a really long, a YouTuber vlog for like 20 minutes, sharing about my thoughts, like, oh, I do miss making YouTube videos, I'm just gonna be straight with you guys. I do miss making videos, and I might come back to my main channel, but things might change. There's definitely gonna be a lot of changes if I do come back. For now, here's my haul. Gonna picture this for the thumbnail. Wait, this should be in the thumbnail. The gold gasser should be in the thumbnail right there. Pow. And yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.